Private files. Every user in Moodle has a personal file storage area called private files. This is useful as a teacher if you like to organize your files into a named folder and store them until you display them in your course. It is also useful for students if they start work during the day and save their work in their private files and complete them at their home and submit it to the teacher later. Private files can be accessed easily from the nav drawer on the left, and there is also a private file block which may be added to the dashboard or the course page. If you click on the private files in the navigation drawer, you can manage your private files. We can, if the browser allows, simply drag and drop the file into the private file area. Or else, we can simply click on Add and add from the file picker. Browse your repositories and select the file, and you can edit the author and the file name and upload the file. If the file exists, it will notify you. And also you can create a folder and directly drag and drop it. I'm going to create a folder called Notes and click on the folder. And then simply add my file by dragging and dropping. Or else you can even select the file from the file picker. You can give file name and edit the author and upload the file, and remember to save the changes. Once you click on a file, then you can even delete the file. Once you go into a folder, on top here, it will show the navigation. And you can even download all your files. On the right hand side, this is how you can view your files. And also it is mentioned the maximum file size that you can have in your private file area. And you also given the overall limit of the storage.